Mother Nature kind of chose violence here today on the eastern plains, experiencing some pretty extreme wind conditions. As you can see behind me here, usually you should be able to see the mountains from this vantage point in Bennett, but you really can't because of all those clouds covering the mountains there. I know that the high country experiencing some snow squalls, dangerous road conditions up there, and down here in the plains, some extreme wind. As you can see, my hair is just not doing well today, but 65 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts that they're expecting out here today, which is a huge concern for fire danger. As soon as something sparks, it can spread really quickly across the plains, especially in these winds. So definitely be careful out there today. It's also really dusty. I feel like I'm getting free exfoliation today. My skin is covered in a layer of dust. Definitely trash cans are not safe today. Maybe even small pets, you might want to secure them. But yeah, just be careful when you're out there today. We don't want any cars on dry grass. Those tailpipes can ignite a fire. Everyone just needs to be really fire aware today. Oh, and there goes our tripod. Just fell down. Oh, goodness. Have to secure everything here in this wind. But a lot of people are curious about whether Xcel Energy is planning. Sorry, just trying to get my tripod up here. A lot of people are wondering if Xcel Energy will be cutting off power today. And the power company says they don't plan on doing that today, but they want customers to be aware that there could be a power outage. So essentially what they're doing is they have their power lines have some high sensitivity today. So if anything touches those lines, maybe a tree branch, something like that, the power will cut off. And that's all to mitigate fire risk. But Black Hills Energy, they are telling customers today that they plan to cut power to, I believe, 4 counties in southern Colorado, so that should impact about 5,400 people there. But Xcel Energy and Core Electric, no planned shutoffs today, but again, they have those sensitized power lines just to help reduce wildfire risk. Sorry, my hair is just like kind of comical today. But definitely be careful when you're out there on the roads. You'll feel the wind in your steering wheels. Be careful around those high profile vehicles, those semis. They can be extra dangerous in wind like this. They're susceptible to tipping over just because of their high volume and high profile. So be careful out there in the wind today and the rest of this week. Again, lots of high fire danger this week.